I'm gonna show you the fastest hack to controlling the oil like out of the gate. We're gonna pre-powder our face. This is my Piper Blue translucent powder. I have nothing on my face but my skincare. I'm gonna get a little bit of my powder and I'm gonna start with the powder. And I'm just gonna buff this all over my entire face. It is going to absorb natural oils. It's going to help my makeup hold on. It's going to basically act as like a mattifying pre-primer. And then when you're done with that, you're gonna use your BB cream or whatever foundation it is that you use. And then you'll skip the setting powder after because we did it before. And so it's gonna give you a sort of a glowier look, but you're still gonna have that shine control that we all want. Can you believe that? It's literally setting powder before the BB cream. Look at how gorgeous that is. I'm still glowy, but I'm not shiny. It's super natural. And then I can carry on with my Piper Blue foundation. But as an oily girl, I am here for the natural looking shine control. So as always, follow my page, like this post, and comment below if you want a link sent to your DM to shop these two products. Have the best day.